everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a perfect DIY for you for spring, and it's a beautiful spring lumbar pillow. And I went to the Dollarama. I picked up a couple of these beautiful kitchen placemats. I love the pattern, and because they're rectangular shaped, I decided to turn it into a lumbar pillow. So all you need is a couple of these placemats. These were $2 each, and some old pillow stuffing and some hot glue. And you can turn it into something like this. Isn't it pretty? And I'm going to show you how you can arrange this pillow on a chair, perfect for your spring decor. make from using dollar store products. So go have a look and see what you can find. When I saw this beautiful placemat, I said to myself, I need to make a beautiful pillow for my spring decor. Why not? And for maybe $4 or $5, you can achieve this gorgeous pillow. And speaking of dollar stores like the Dollarama or Dollar Tree, I've been following this lovely man on YouTube, and he does the most amazing Dollar Tree hauls, and his channel is called Patrick's Playbook. So go over to his channel and subscribe. You're going to enjoy all his videos. He's amazing, and his daughter is a fantastic artist. So please go to his channel and subscribe. You're going to love it. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope everyone has a lovely day. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.